So truthfully, within about the first 15 minutes of being here, I started to kind of realize that I was in the right place. The information that Matt hit me with right up front was valuable to the reasoning so that I could pay attention, right? And then over the course of the 3 days, I started to realize that you guys are selling a customer experience. We are a customer to you guys, and you guys are providing an experience here. So you're doing what you're talking about doing as well. I started to notice a lot of different things, and even Matt said, even down to what he was wearing was intentional to help set the pace and help set the mood, right? So it was really appreciated. It's an eye opener. It gives you the ideas to go back and make inexpensive changes, right? Anybody can write a check, spend more money, get more leads. We realized just today that in the last 3 months I've had 3,600 opportunities and I've sold 600 cars. And I'm worried about where I need to get more leads from. I have all the leads I need. So those are the major things. I thought that I was going to go back and teach this to my salespeople, but I realized I need to go back and teach this to my sales managers and create a culture and management that's going to hold these guys responsible. And once they've reached that level that I feel they're confident in doing it, then we'll expand it out onto the floor and start to capture people slowly. And once it shifts and the balance is like, oh, these old average guys and now these new powerhouses, it'll start to outweigh it. And I'm really excited to see that happen.